Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Screen Time. This is where iPhone controls live. Enter the screen time passcode to unlock options because restrictions won't change otherwise. Once done, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions to reveal uninstall settings. Make sure to review allowed apps first so you don't remove system essentials. This step locates the toggle that prevents app deletion and prepares you to change that control safely before attempting to delete any app. Now you navigate into iTunes and App Store purchases. This area controls installation and deletion. You set deleting apps to allow so you can remove apps. Choose allow rather than don't allow. If you see a different passcode prompt, enter it. That verifies parental or admin control. Once set, return to the home screen and long press the app icon to begin deletion. Make sure to confirm removal when the prompt appears, since this permanently deletes app data unless backed up. To finish, long press the app and choose Remove App, then Delete App to confirm. This clears the app and its local data. If the icon won't jiggle, go to Settings right arrow General right arrow iPhone Storage, select the app and tap Delete App there. If deletion remains blocked, make sure screen time restrictions reverted to allow or restart the phone to apply settings. If you don't know the passcode, you'll need the person who set it or follow Apple's recovery options because bypassing is not supported.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.